Hi, welcome to this interesting tutorial. My name is Usman Awan. As we all know, EDU backlinks are considered as most valuable backlinks because they come from the trustworthy and well-reputed domains. Google highly appreciates them and consider them for ranking. It takes a lot of time and efforts to get access to link from such websites, but if you get a backlink from .edu domain, you will get high rank and traffic on Google and other search engines. It's very difficult to get a backlink from .edu domain, but in this video I will tell you a free way to get a backlink from the edu website of Harvard University, and you can see the domain authority of this website is 94, such a huge domain authority. So let's see the backlink demonstration. This is a specific page of this website and we will get a backlink from this page. Just scroll down and move to the commit section. We will get a commit backlink from this website, and this is my content for backlink. I will copy my content, paste it here. In name I will write my name Usman Awan. In email I will choose my email, and in the website I will write the URL of my website for which I'm creating a backlink, and my website is usmanawan.com, and I will also write my URL in the commit area. Now all things are done. Simply click submit. It will take few seconds and publish my backlink on this website. Now all things are done. My backlink is published. Now just scroll down to see the backlink. Here you can see my commit. You can see my keyword Usman Awan is also linked with the website, and my website link is also appearing in the commit. So this way we can get a backlink from this high domain authority website. Now if I share the URL of this website in my video description, you know, a lot of people will start building spam backlinks, and then the authority of this website will be reduced. So if you need the URL of this website, this is my Facebook page. Just write facebook.com/learnwithusmanawan and inbox me, and you can request for the URL of this website and I will give you the URL for free. That is my promise to all of you. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.